Viewers, welcome back to MuleSoft-TechZone. In this video, we are going to see like how to set up MuleSoft Vibes. So I have already shown you in the previous video like how to configure or how to connect Salesforce org and MuleSoft org. Uh, Today, I'm going to show you again in case if you haven't set up already. The prerequisites is like you need to have a developer edition first with Salesforce. So the free developer edition is for 1 year, so you can create a developer edition for yourself. So once you have set up the developer account, go to like settings, setups here. All right, and from there search for MuleSoft. All right, this will give you like MuleSoft Direct, Anypoint platform setup and other stuff. Okay, uh, let me show you like how to get started. So click on get started here. I accept save, and it will say like connect to MuleSoft. So click on connect to MuleSoft, select your server from here, click on next. If you want to have connected app credentials, you can have connected app credentials, or if you want to use your own credentials, you can use your own credentials. So I'm going with user credentials here. That will take you to your this thing. So it says like we couldn't find your this thing, so don't worry, go to Anypoint platform setup over here. So even before doing that, if you go to the ACB here on the left side, and if you try to click on like the MuleSoft icon over here, or like the agent force MuleSoft Vibes, it says like ask your organization to enable AI features in the Anypoint platform. So let's go to the Anypoint platform. On my left side of the screen, you can see like it's MuleSoft, and the right side of the screen is like the Salesforce. But let me close the split view here. All right, so let's go to, so it says it's saying like any Einstein for endpoint code builder, go to access management to set up the Einstein. So click on this access management. Again, your MuleSoft account is the free trial account is for 30 days, but the Salesforce org is for 1 year. All right, now this is where you can see the Salesforce tab on the left side. So Salesforce org, we need to add the Salesforce org. So click on add Salesforce org, and it is asking it is asking for a Salesforce org tenant key. So how to find that tenant key? Enter the tenant key. So click on this link over here. Okay, and scroll all the way down. These are the steps, so read the documentation properly. Okay, now it is asking to set up and click on Anypoint platform setup. That's where we are here. So click on complete the connection. So now you are having the Salesforce org tenant key, so just copy that part here, go back to your MuleSoft this thing. Okay, click on add. So name used in platform account, I can use this any name, you can give any name. Okay, click on add. Now what we need to do is copy this generated Anypoint platform org key from here. Okay, now click on manage in Salesforce. It will take you to the place where you need to do that stuff. Click on complete the connection, and whatever org ID was generated there which you have copied, click on that. So it's like two kind of identity from two sides. All right, so now we are connected to MuleSoft. So if you click on this MuleSoft, it will take you to your access management over here. Okay, and if you want, check the capability enablement, like you do not allow this Salesforce. I want to allow, so I'm not doing anything here. So you can see all this stuff over here. Now I wanted to go back to here, enable seamless login. Yes, I can enable. So this is disabled for now, I am not able to edit it. Enable agent force in Anypoint platform. This is what we need to do. So we need to enable it. So we are good with the setup. So if you go to the documentation again, that's what we have done. So let's go to the Anypoint platform ACB here. This is my online version of ACB. So if when I refreshed, so this is the MuleSoft Vibes. We have two icons. One is the MuleSoft icon, which is like ACB, Anypoint Code Builder, and the below one is the MuleSoft Vibes. You can see on the screen. So it will take some time to spin up. So it is checking whether we have enabled Einstein. So you can see Einstein is enabled. So this is how you need to set up before getting started, like using MuleSoft Vibes. Okay, so if you go to the MuleSoft Vibes again, like you can just click on list all the application and just send it. You can start. You can see that checkpoints are not currently in the multi-route. list all the application, disable checkpoints. So you can see like I am able to set up Einstein for MuleSoft Vibes, and you can see like I asked to list out all the applications that are present in the sandbox, and it is returning the stuff here. So this is how you need to enable or set up the Salesforce org account in case if you're working in real time in the with your projects with your customers. If your customer or if your organization has only the MuleSoft account and you don't have Salesforce org, you need to reach out to your MuleSoft account executive and make sure that you are having a Salesforce org, which is totally free. You just need a Salesforce org to enable Einstein here, okay, so that you can get started with your MuleSoft Vibes. Hope you like this session, and we will see you in the next course.